Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Matthew right there is practicing on Big Sister's Corvette in the slower speed, of course, because he can't handle the faster speed yet. So the slower speed is like a 6 volt and then the faster speed is like a 12 volt. So I think it's time to put on the dually fenders on the F350. From my previous video, I picked up a dually fender. It's not this one. This one is from the passenger side. This one right here. Matthew, what are you doing? You gotta... There's a ball? Okay, I'll get it later. Okay, you can go see. So this one, this is the one with the weird film on top that I will deal with later after I install it on the truck. Okay, I'll get it. And this is the original one that was on the passenger side, but it's messed up over here on the bottom. And this is the one that I bought on eBay that I got the refund for. So that was gonna go probably in the trash, or maybe I'll put it up on Craigslist for like $100. Somebody will pick it up. Yep, there's some drones out there. Do you hear them? I don't know if you see it. It's one of those fast freestyle drones. I've been trying to get those actually. Those are hard to fly, but something that I was thinking about getting in the future. But anyways, so yeah, this one is messed up a little bit right here. I will try to repair this because it's way in the bottom, nobody sees it. If I can just, there's this piece right here that's kind of broken off like that. Maybe if I can fiberglass it, get in place, and it should be good. Yeah, it should be, I mean, I think it's fixable. I'll give it a shot, but I definitely don't want to buy a whole complete dually fender for this side just because of that. I think it's something I can fix. So what I'm going to do right now is install this one on the truck. And then I'll try to get this fixed and install this on that truck. On this side, I mean. Alright guys, let's get this done. Let's go. Here's that section that I was talking about on the passenger side that I was thinking about trying to get it fixed. We'll see how that works. I'm gonna try to secure this spot on the back side first, and then do this spot, secure everything on the back, and then I'll do some work on the front and see. I never tried this before, so we'll give it a shot. I'm gonna use one of those melting irons and the plastic little stick that melts onto this. So we'll give it a shot and see how that works. All right, guys, check this out. I got these little troublemakers, something really cool for the little cars because they always like to be chasing each other, run away from each other. So something really cool, and they're gonna turn it on and show you guys. All right, guys, turn on your little lights. Look at that. Whoa. 2 police. Matthew police and Viola police. Okay, you guys can go. Of course, this car is the slowest. But they can have a little fun chasing each other around, little police race cars. Got these 2 lights on Amazon. They're for bikes, for the back of the seats of the bikes. So I don't know why they would have red and blue option, but they do, and they have other options as well. Red and blue, and not blinking red, not blinking blue. So it's kind of cool. They have a white one as well, I believe, but I decided to get them this red and blue one. Hold on, Matthew. So yeah, now they can just play around, chase each other, little cops and robbers. Matthew, you having trouble with your car? Is your car broken down? You want me to call the police helicopter? Yes. Oh no! Sorry, officer. Sorry, officer. Our car broke down, officer. I think our 6-volt battery is dead. Can you call the tow truck? Alright, I think Matthew's battery is dead. He has to be charged because it has a tiny battery. It kind of sucks, but it's like 30 minutes of ride time and then you have to recharge it. So anyways, that's their little light, and they really like it. But what else can we do with this light? Let's see. Hey, Matthew, what are you doing? You're gonna crash into the police. Where you going? Ah! Ah! But let me show you what else can be done with these lights. For example, at private events, on private property, not on streets, of course. But let me show you what else I can do with these lights. Oh! Matthew broke the light. Matthew, you gonna run around like a policeman? Hey, Matthew, you gonna run like a police? Okay, run. Run. Go get Viola. Go get her. Oh no! That's what happens when a police car breaks down. You gotta chase the robber, right? There we go. He's gonna get you!
I'm gonna get you!
Alright guys, so I tried the plastic melt thing with the iron, this little piece, and I made grooves in the fender, and I was trying to melt it into the crack right here. And I guess it wasn't working that well. The video that I've seen online, it works really well, but maybe this plastic is a little different. It's actually more of a fiberglass slash plastic mixed together. It's not just straight plastic like a bumper plastic, for example. That would work on like a bumper plastic, but this plastic fiberglass is a little different, and that would not work. So what I decided to do is use some super glue to kind of tack together these pieces in place. The super glue is now dry, so everything is holding in place. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little Dremel tool, and I'm going to go through the little cracks and make some grooves. And I'm actually going to use JB Weld instead of the fiberglass resin, and I'm pretty sure this will hold this section in place just fine with no issues. have to look for this one. I don't know if I have this one. I have to look for the red marker. And then this side is on, temporary as well, because I have to straighten out. I forgot about this part. When I put on the cover, the fender cover, I realized that I forgot to straighten this part out. And then once that's straightened out, that can be mounted to here. And then there's a bar that goes from here to the frame that prevents it from flopping around on both ends. This one's good, just this part I have to straighten out a little bit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.